Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change Instagram call ringtone. Let's get started. First, exit Instagram and open your device settings and scroll down and tap on notifications. Now go to app notifications and select Instagram from the list. Next, tap notifications, categories, look for Instagram direct video call and tap it. Then select sound and choose your preferred ringtone. You can pick from the default list or even use custom sounds. Once saved, try receiving an Instagram call. You'll now hear your new ringtone play instead of the default one. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.